yeah, that's Chet.
Oh yeah, that's Levi. And together we make Levi and Chet.
Awesomeness. Woo!
Before we start this video, please subscribe and comment because we need your awesome skills for biking.
Yeah, buddy.
First up, Levi showing us some awesome tricks. Let's sit back here. And I'll be right after him. Woo! He's not in the picture yet. And now it's on me. Here we go.
Here we go. Chet's turn. Yeah. I got a feeling that I never knew, never hit me before. No. And Chet with a big wipeout.
That's what bikers have to do to get manly.
Yes, they do. You got that right, Chet. Now, I'll see you one more time. Chet and Levi, make sure to subscribe and comment. Blackout!